What's up, guys? So got a lot of excess wood chips just piled up on the other side of the yard, so what I'm doing here is adding some to the chicken run. They love it. Slowly it'll break down, form some compost, mix in with their poop a little bit. We're gonna have some good compost. I'm just gonna pile it up. They're gonna do all the work, kick it around, spread it out for me. Okay, so I just want to talk a little bit about my compost setup that I have here. I have this compost tumbler. I got it from a friend a few years back, so while I still got it, I'm just keeping on using it. So I've been adding things to it. In my previous videos, you've probably seen some of my chickens. I've got about 15 chickens right now. So as I clean up their coop, all of their manure, things like that, it goes in here. And I've been adding things to it pretty much all throughout last year. So it's been sitting now, resting for about 5 to 6 months. So I feel like it's a good time to harvest some of that compost. So with a shovel, I bring it out of here, set it onto here. This is my compost screener. I've got a compost screener with a 1/2 inch wire on it. So it will screen things that are larger than a 1/2 inch. It will not allow it to pass through. So the things that are not able to pass through, I have another wagon set up here. All of that stuff goes in here, and then I'm going to put that back into the compost tumbler to let it break down further. this is some of the screen compost. Very, very fine. Good screen material. Everything's pretty much uniform. Now again, most of this is chicken manure. I had some random other materials that I put in, some old potting mix that I had, just some dirt that I raked up from the chicken coop. Just trying to use what I have here on site to mix in with the compost. I also put in vegetable scraps and things like that. So this is the end result. We're going to put it on the garden, and then we'll see what kind of yields we can get with it.